Dempsey Auction Company is pleased to present Cloud9 Farm to be offered at live auction on site and online Saturday, April 2nd at 10 a.m. Eastern Time. Located in beautifully sought-after southeastern Floyd County, Georgia, at 422 Bailey Road Southeast in Rome, the 65-acre tract offers many amenities rarely featured on land this size. Improvements to the property include a cabin with large open porch, a 60 by 40 metal barn with concrete flooring, and a 70 by 100 metal barn suited for hay or other storage. This private rural tract will be offered exclusively as a whole with equipment including a Kubota tractor and Polaris Ranger to be auctioned following the real estate. The acreage fronts steady flowing and acclaimed Spring Creek and features 2 stocked ponds, multiple green fields, lush pasture, hardwood and pine stands, and is fenced and cross-fenced. Wildlife is plentiful, including deer, turkey, and game birds. The 65 acres offers 2 wells and beautifully appointed additional home sites with long-range views and is ideal for an equine farm, livestock, homesteading, or a weekend getaway. A representative will be on site for inspection Friday, April 1st from noon until 4 p.m. or by appointment. Join us live on site and online Saturday, April 2nd at 10 a.m. Eastern for this amazing purchasing opportunity. We will see you at the auction.